Dear students, in last year or in the previous classes we learn about the algebraic expressions. So algebraic expressions means if in a term variable and numbers are there, variables means alphabets are there and the numbers are there, then it is called a term. And when one term or two terms or three terms or more than three terms are there, total it is called a algebraic expressions. For example, suppose we learn about the monomial, we learn about binomial, we learn about trinomial, means if one term is there, for example 2x, it is a monomial. If more than one terms are there, for example 2x square plus 5x, it is called a binomial, means two terms are there. So these all are called the algebraic expressions, and in algebraic expressions, when the degree of that algebraic expression is a whole number. Whole number means the numbers which are started from 0 or a group of natural numbers including 0, it is called a group of whole numbers. So when the degree of any algebraic expression is whole number, then it is called a polynomial. So today we are going to learn about the polynomials. We are going to learn about a polynomials. Just now I told, if in a algebraic expression the degree of any term in that algebraic expression is whole number, then it is a polynomial. Now for example, suppose it is 2x square plus 5x. It is here the degree of this variable is 2, here the degree of this variable is 1, that's why it is a polynomial. Now if it is like this, 2 upon x plus 5x square. Now here it is degree 2, but in this the degree is 1, but this variable is in the denominator. So when we are writing this in standard form, then you will get, we can write as 2x raised to minus 1, because when we will take here up, then we have to use the law of index, and a raised to m is, or a raised to minus m, it is equal to 1 upon a raised to m. And here, so we can write this only in this form, 2x raised to minus 1 plus 5x square. Now in this example, the degree of this variable is minus 1, and that's why which is not a whole number, that's why it is not a polynomial. Another example, if 2 under root x plus 5 is there, then here also the degree of this variable, now it is in under root, that's why the degree of this variable is 1 upon 2. We can write this example also using in the index form, that 2x raised to 1 upon 2 plus 5, where the degree of this variable is 1 upon 2, which is not a whole number, that's why this is also not a polynomial. So from these examples, this is the first example, second and third. From these three examples we should understand, when the degree of any polynomial is whole number, then and then only it is a polynomial. Then it is a polynomial. So 0 is also polynomial, or any constant number is also a polynomial, because we can write this constants. For example, if only 10 is here, then this 10 we can write in this form using index form, 10 into x raised to 0, and this x raised to 0 means this 0 is also whole number, and the x raised to 0 means the value of that is 1. So 10 into 1, which is equal to 10, and that's why it is also a polynomial. So any constant number including 0 is also a polynomial. Now here we have to learn about the order of the polynomial. Now all these examples are given in one variable, only x variable is used. Here also x, here is x, here is x, everywhere only one variable is used in that algebraic expression. If more than one variables are there, in one example, for example, suppose 5x square plus 2xy. Now here If you want to write the degree of this polynomial, then here it is 2 and here the degree of this term is, here it is 1, here it is 1 and 1 plus 1 it is equal to 2. That's why the highest degree of this polynomial is 2. But this example is given in more than one variable. This example is given more than one variable, means two variables are used. So when any algebraic expression given in one variable with a degree is whole number, then it is called a polynomial. So degree, how to find the degree of the polynomial? Degree means it is the highest degree of polynomial, means it is highest power of algebraic expression. It is the highest power of algebraic expression or highest power of that polynomial. Algebraic expressions or polynomial. So here, if x raised to 4 plus 3x square minus 2x plus 5. So the degree of this, in this 1, 2, 3, 4 terms are here, and in all terms the degree is whole number. Here it is 4, here it is 2, here it is 1 and here is nothing, means it is 0. So the degree of all terms in this algebraic expression is whole number, positive whole number. That's why it is a polynomial. And the highest degree is, highest means the maximum, which is the biggest number. Order of that number is biggest, that is the degree of the polynomial. So the degree of this polynomial is 4. Degree of this polynomial is 4. In this way we can find the degree of the polynomial. So the next part is here, how to write this algebraic expression or polynomial in the standard form. How to write this polynomial in the standard form. So whenever algebraic expressions are given or whenever polynomials are given, then we have to write in the descending order or in the ascending order of that indices. Indices means the power. So when we are writing these all terms in the descending order or in the ascending order of the indices, then it is a standard form of a polynomial. Now in this example, already here x raised to 4 plus 3x square minus 2x plus 5. Now this is, here this example is given already here 4. After 4, which number should be there? The degree should be 3. Then here it is 2. Then here it is 1. But in that example, only those terms are given. Sometimes it is given like this. Suppose 3x square. Then here minus 2x plus x raised to 4 plus 5. If any example is given in the form, then we have to write in the descending order of their indices, which is a standard form of polynomial. This is a standard form of a polynomial. So when we are writing any polynomial in the descending or ascending order of the indices, then it is a standard form of polynomial. So we can write any polynomial in the standard form or in index form or in the coefficient form. So how to write this in the standard form or in index form? Now first we learn here standard form. Standard form means we have to write in the descending or ascending. So this example, x raised to 4 plus 3x square minus 2x plus 5. This example only we can write in the standard form, taking all this writing in descending order. Means here x raised to 4 plus. Now cube term is not here. So we have to write 0x cube. 0x cube means nothing, and here also this term is not there. So the value of this term you will get 0 only. So when we are adding 0 or subtracting 0, then there is no change. Plus 3x square minus 2x plus 5. Now here you can understand, here 4, 3, 2, 1 and 0. So now this is the standard form of a polynomial. This polynomial we can write, this is also already it is given in the index form only. When we are writing any term using index, now 4, 3, 2, these are the index. So this is the standard form and also it is a index form. So we can write in index form also. Same index form means in the using index x raised to 4 plus 0x cube plus 3x square minus 2x plus 5. Now the third part is here coefficient form. Coefficient form means only we have to write all these terms taking coefficients only. Taking coefficients. So for that also, first we have to write this polynomial in the standard form and then we have to take coefficients of all terms. Now first one is the coefficient of x raised to 4. Nothing is here means it is 1. Here it is 0. Here it is 3. And here it is minus 2. And that is last term is 5. So this is the indexed coefficient form of polynomial. So index form, standard form. So if any polynomial is given, first you have to write in the standard form. That is also the index form, and then taking coefficients we can write in the coefficient form. I hope you have understood about the degree of the polynomial, meaning of the polynomial, and how to write in the standard form, index form and coefficient form. Thank you, students.